2021, the body of Aaron Massengill was discovered murdered along Ferguson Ridge Road here in Claiborne County. Mr. Massengill was single and leaves behind a mother, a father, and 2 sisters. Since February the 22nd of 2021, Mr. Massengill's death has been investigated by Sheriff Bob Brooks and the Claiborne County Sheriff's Office, Chief Jeremy Myers and the Tazewell Police Department, special agents with the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation, the National Park Service, and the 8th Judicial District Attorney General's Office. The Sullivan County District Attorney's Office and the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office have also assisted in this investigation. Earlier today, charges were filed in Claiborne County General Sessions Court against Courtney Leanne Gilpin of New Tazewell, Patrick Andrew Smith of Keokee, Virginia, and Jimmy Lee Riff of Catawba, North Carolina. These individuals have been charged with first-degree felony murder, aggravated robbery, and conspiracy to commit robbery. All 3 individuals were taken into custody in Sullivan County, Tennessee. Riff and Gilpin are currently housed in the Claiborne County Jail, and Smith is awaiting transport back to Claiborne County from Sullivan County. All 3 individuals are scheduled to appear in front of Judge Robert Estep in the morning at 9 a.m. At this time, I'd like to turn the press conference over to Sheriff Bobby Brooks for a few comments.
In my 35 years in law enforcement, this has been the most difficult case I've ever been involved with. I have personally known Aaron and his family for many years. Our hearts are heavy. I was very humbled to see the efforts of our community trying to locate Aaron once he went missing. I want to thank everyone who helped in any way, great or small, during this time. I want to thank all the agencies involved in this investigation, and there were many. Agencies in Kentucky, Virginia, as well as Tennessee. A special thanks to the TBI for their assistance and the use of their technology, to the District Attorney General's Office, and to the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office. Last but not least, I'd like to say how proud I am of my detectives who worked day and night on a relentless pursuit to find the people responsible for this crime. Thank you.
I'm Chief Jeremy Myers, Tazewell Police Department. On behalf of the Tazewell Police Department, I would like to express our condolences to the family of Aaron Massengill. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the Claiborne County Sheriff's Office, Sheriff Bob Brooks, and their investigators with his agency. They're phenomenal. My Tazewell Police Department investigator, the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation, none of this could have happened without the dedicated efforts of these agencies and the public's help.
In closing, I would like to personally extend my deepest gratitude to all agencies involved in this investigation and their tireless efforts to see justice pursued on behalf of Aaron Massengill. Additionally, I want to say a special thank you to the citizens of Claiborne County, Tennessee, for their support of Mr. Massengill's family and law enforcement throughout this process. I believe that it is noteworthy to point out that Ms. Gilpin was identified by a private citizen through a previously released photograph. As we go forward, please remember that this investigation remains active and ongoing, and because of that, law enforcement and prosecutors are ethically prohibited from commenting on investigative findings and evidence that we expect to be introduced at future proceedings. At this time, I'll turn this back over to Ms. Earhart for concluding remarks.
Again, we appreciate you being here today. We can't thank you enough for your consistent coverage of this incident and your help in leading to this outcome. I'm getting ready to send out a news release. I'll email it to you. You can also find it on tbinewsroom.com. If you have follow-up questions, feel free to email us at tbi.media@tn.gov. Thank you.